The Apple TV 4K is a powerhouse streaming device designed for those who want a premium entertainment experience. It delivers stunning visuals with support for 4K resolution, HDR10, and Dolby Vision, making movies and shows look incredibly sharp and vibrant. Combined with Dolby Atmos audio, it creates an immersive cinematic experience right in your living room. Powered by the A15 Bionic chip, the Apple TV 4K is lightning fast, ensuring smooth navigation and seamless app performance. It runs on tvOS, offering access to popular streaming apps like Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and Apple TV+, along with exclusive content like Apple Originals. The Siri remote makes it easy to control playback, search for content, and even use voice commands for hands-free convenience. For Apple enthusiasts, the Apple TV 4K integrates seamlessly with the ecosystem, supporting features like AirPlay, iCloud syncing, and HomeKit for smart home control. However, its higher price tag may deter some users, especially when compared to competitors like Roku or Fire TV. If you value sleek design, top-tier performance, and deep integration with Apple devices, the Apple TV 4K is a fantastic choice. Let us know in the comments if this guide helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.